Learning Spanish Diaries, Part 1. So yesterday I actually completed my third Spanish class here in Puerto Rico, and so far I am really loving it. Because Spanish is so similar to French, it's pretty easy for me to pick up on it, and I've been listening to it for a couple months already, so it's nice because it feels like it's actually kind of coming quickly. But what I want to talk about is the Spanish R sound here in Puerto Rico because I think it is so interesting. So from my understanding, this traditional Spanish R is a rolled R, like R. But because of movement from Corsica to Puerto Rico, I don't know, sometime in the past, you occasionally get the French R sound, which is more like guttural, like on the island. So, I mean, I don't know if this is a perfect situation, but maybe instead of saying like rincon, you'd say rincon. Or instead of Cabo Rojo, you'd say Cabo Rojo. And the last way I've heard the R pronounced is with an L sound. For example, in literally the name Puerto Rico, Puerto Rico, Puerto Rico. It's just interesting. I meant to take Spanish lessons before moving to the island, but unfortunately, I ran out of time, and I specifically, for this very reason, wanted to take Spanish from a Puerto Rican teacher. So I'm super excited to see how the rest of my classes go this month. I'm curious for any Puerto Ricans watching, how do you say the R sound? Do you say it more R or more H?